Hi, my name is Kate, and I'm back for a quick short video. Listen, what if I told you that you have the capability of making $100 to $1,000 per live if you would just go live for 30 minutes? Whether that's on your Instagram, your Facebook, your TikTok, and any other live that you may know of. What would you do if I told you that it was possible for you to make $100 to $1,000 per live? Would that put some fire under your feet to go run in to do your live? Well, I'm telling you, it is possible. I have done it. You need to go live with your handmade items. You are missing out on an opportunity to show off your brand. You're missing out on an opportunity to grow some more income inside your household and build your business. Now, it only takes 30 minutes. In 30 minutes, you can sell out all the products in which you have. You only need 10 products to sell. And you've made your money. And it costs you nothing to go live. It is absolutely free. There's no vendor's fee. There's no market fee. There's no flea market fee. There's no fee at all. It's free. That means that you have a win-win. There is nothing to lose, but everything to gain. Now, I'm going to be challenging you all who are hand jewelry makers and hand soap makers and craft makers. You make wreaths, whatever you make. I am challenging you within the next 30 to 60 days for you to go live. Go live. Listen, it is getting ready to be Thanksgiving season, Christmas season, Black Friday sales are coming up. You need to be a part of that sale. You need to be a part of that online. Because guess what? People love to shop online. Ask the HSN or JTV. Ask them. They'll tell you how many people are online shopping all the time. You are missing out on the market. And again, I'm telling you, it is possible for you to make anywhere from $100 to $1,000 per live. If you go on 4 times a month, on the lower end, that's $400 extra. On the high end, that's $4,000 a month. You need to capitalize on it. Now, in my next video, I'm going to address why people really aren't going live. Now, I hope you've enjoyed this video. You know what to do. Like and subscribe and share my video. I'll see you in the next video.